Good morning, team. It is another beautiful day in the AT. It is a very cold day in the AT. Not as cold as it's been in the past, but pretty chilly this morning. Not below freezing, but I want to say that it's in the low 40s, maybe upper 30s. I slept with my water filter just in case. I'm gonna start doing that just out of habit because you never know when the temperatures are gonna drop to freezing up in the mountains. But today the goal is to go about a little over 11 miles. We have 2 huge climbs to do today. We have Saddleback Mountain and the Horn, which are pretty challenging. They're both 4Ks, over 4,000 feet, and it's pretty much going to take all day to transverse. But we're ready. I have you on my side, and we can do this. I did not videotape last night when I got to camp because as soon as I got to camp, we sat down to eat. It got really dark fairly quickly, and next thing you know, I was already in my sleeping bag, and honestly, I did not feel like videotaping because I was cold and I was trying to get warm. But I will try to do better today with the videotaping. Also, you may be wondering why some of my videos are so far behind. It is because signal and Wi-Fi have been very challenging for me. And sometimes I rather just live in the moment and then spend hours upon hours editing and hunting for Wi-Fi. So I know I put a message out there so you know what's going on, but I wanted to address it in one of my videos that you're gonna get probably a couple weeks from now. But yeah, I'm excited about today. We are trying to make it to, I believe it's called Roadhouse Hostel, in about 2 days, so we can do some slack packing and rack up those miles. Because team, I am ready to be done. And not only that, I am trying to get to Munson as soon as possible because there's a very special surprise for me there. So, yep. All right, let's get this day started and climb these mountains. That is a gigantic mushroom. Look at that. Like, this video is not doing it any justice. It's huge. It looks like a bowl. All Alright team, I started climbing Saddleback. This is the steepness. And today's one of those days where it's windy and cold, right? And you start climbing, you get hot, you take your fleece off. As soon as you stop, you have to put it back on. So you go through a million wardrobe changes in a span of an hour. So I already had to change my shirt. I was wearing my t-shirt and fleece. Now I'm to my long sleeve shirt, and hopefully that'll keep me cool enough, but then cover enough where I don't freeze to death. Because I'm about to reach tree line, and I'm gonna be above tree line for about 2 miles now once I get up there. But I hope the views are spectacular because it is sunny again and beautiful, and I cannot wait. All right, let's get it. We were at that pond not so long ago because I got water from a stream that was feeding into the pond. Good God, I can't talk. Excuse me. All right, let's see what the summit brings. Still have a little bit, but it's already gorgeous. Oh, look at those mountains. Yeah. Day though, can't complain. But we finally summited the horn. So we are finally descending the horn. That was so windy up there. I bet you couldn't hear anything we were saying. It was extremely windy. I felt like I was being blown out of the top of the mountain. I'm all red, probably windburn. And now we're going down a really steep descent. Taking our time. And hopefully once we reach safer grounds, we'll be able to eat because I'm starving. I am having almond butter and banana chips wrap. And it's surprisingly super good. I'm about to have some potato chips too. We're all having lunch. All bundled up because it is so cold right now. I wish I could have soup, but this will do. So we got done with our lunch break. We were there way longer than we should have. But now we're doing Little Saddleback Mountain. And hopefully after that, we'll have maybe about 4 more miles until we hit camp tonight.